This 2007 Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 2007 Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG Factory Optional Equipment Premium Package 2, originally $3,600, navigation system, heated front seats, cooled front seats and headlights, keyless go package. Factory Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG equipment, 6.3 LMG built V8 engine, 507 horsepower, 465 pound-feet of torque, 7-speed automatic AMG transmission, navigation system, front parking sensor, rear parking sensor, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, keyless and tri-keyless start, power windows, power door locks, iridium silver metallic exterior, gray leather interior, vehicle includes owner's manual, floor mats, vehicle history, clean Carfax, well service. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2007 Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.